Common raven, Corvus corax. Habitat: mountains, forests, grasslands, and deserts worldwide. Distribution: widespread in North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Diet: omnivores, eating a variety of carrion, small mammals, insects, fruits, and seeds. Appearance: large black bird with a wingspan of up to 5 feet. Has a sturdy beak and a long wedge-shaped tail. 2. Golden eagle, Aquila crescidos. Habitat: mountains, forests, and open areas worldwide. Distribution: widespread in North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Diet: carnivores, eating a variety of mammals, birds, reptiles, and fish. Appearance: large brown eagle with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. Has a golden head and neck and a powerful beak and talons. 3. American robin, Turdus migratorius. Habitat: forests, gardens, and backyards in North America. Distribution: widespread in North America. Diet: omnivores, eating a variety of worms, insects, fruits, and berries. Appearance: medium-sized, reddish-brown bird with a black head and a white breast. Has a long orange bill and a white eye ring. 4. Northern cardinal, Cardinalis cardinalis. Habitat: forests, thickets, and gardens in North America. Distribution: widespread in eastern North America. Diet: omnivores, eating a variety of seeds, fruits, insects, and spiders. Appearance: medium-sized, bright red bird with a black face mask. Has a long, thick bill and a crest of feathers on its head. 5. Blue jay, Cyanocida cristata. Habitat: forests, woodlands,